There's something magical about a home that feels beautiful without costing a fortune. Welcome back to Grandma's Rustic Nest, where timeless charm meets thoughtful living. Today, we're transforming ordinary forgotten pieces into something extraordinary. Because sometimes, the most beautiful decor isn't bought from a store. It's already waiting in your home, hidden under dust, memories, and possibility. That scratched wooden chair in the corner, the side table collecting dust in the garage. They may look tired, but they still have stories to tell. With a little sanding, fresh paint, or wood stain, old furniture can become the heart of a room. Soft whites create elegance, warm browns bring coziness, and distressed finishes add rustic charm. Sometimes beauty simply needs a second chance. Before tossing away glass jars, imagine their hidden potential. A simple jar can become a glowing candle holder, a charming flower vase, or elegant kitchen storage. Wrap twine around the rim, add dried flowers, and suddenly something ordinary feels intentional. Group jars in odd numbers for a designer look. It creates balance while still feeling natural, warm, and beautifully effortless. Few things change a space faster than fabric. Old blankets, vintage scarves, or unused curtains can become pillow covers, table runners, or cozy layered throws. Mixing textures is the secret. Linen, cotton, and knit fabrics create warmth and depth. Imagine a quiet afternoon, sunlight pouring in, soft pillows piled high, and every corner inviting you to sit down and stay a while. Walls tell stories, and the best decor often comes from pieces filled with memory. Old frames, thrifted mirrors, vintage trays, or family photographs can create stunning gallery walls. The secret is layering different shapes and sizes while keeping colors cohesive. Instead of perfection, aim for personality. A beautiful home doesn't need flawless walls. It needs walls that feel alive with love and history. Nature has always been the most elegant decorator. Branches, wildflowers, pine cones, woven baskets, and greenery instantly soften a home. Place fresh eucalyptus in a vase, gather branches in a ceramic jar, or fill a basket with seasonal textures. Decorating with natural elements adds warmth, movement, and calm. Best of all, it reminds us that beauty often lives in the simplest things. Sometimes the secret isn't buying something new. It's seeing familiar things differently. Rearrange books, stack candles, layer trays, and style shelves with intention. Decorating works best in layers. Something tall, something textured, something personal. That old teacup, your grandmother's bowl, or a forgotten candle can suddenly become meaningful decor. Often, the home you dream of is already within reach. A beautiful home isn't built with endless spending. It's created through love, creativity, and thoughtful choices. Upcycling teaches us to see beauty where others see waste. It invites us to slow down, create with intention, and fill our spaces with meaning. Here at Grandma's Rustic Nest, home is never about perfection. It's about warmth, comfort, and heart. If this inspired you, stay a while. There's always room here for more cozy inspiration.